100 divided by 10 thirds times 3. The 3's cancel out, and as a result, 100 divided by 10 equals 10. However, this answer is completely wrong because we didn't pay attention to the PEMDAS rule. Look, PEMDAS is just a simple trick to remember the order of operations in math from first to last. First, P is for parentheses, so you always clear those out first. Next is E for exponents like powers and roots. Then you have M and D for multiplication and division. These two are on the same level, so you just solve whichever one comes first, from left to right. Finally, you get A and S for addition and subtraction, which work the exact same way. You just finish them up from left to right. If you're enjoying the video so far, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. It really helps support the channel. Now let's get back to the video. According to the PEMDAS rule, we have multiplication and division here. So we must solve from left to right. This means we solve the expression 100 divided by 10 thirds first. And we solve this part using the KCF, keep, change, flip rule. The KCF rule is used in fraction division, and it works like this. Keep the first term, change the division sign to multiplication, and flip the second term. So in this expression, we keep 100 as it is, change the division sign to multiplication, and flip the fraction 10 thirds, which turns it into 3/10. 110 simplify, and the expression turns into 10 times 3, which equals 30. As a result, 30 multiplied by 3 gives us 90. I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel and like the video.